To use the built-in Disk Cleanup utility in Windows to clean up your hard disk, follow these steps. Go to the Start menu and type Disk Cleanup into the search bar. Select the drive you want to clean up and click OK. The utility will scan the drive and show you a list of files that can be deleted, including temporary files and files in the recycle bin. Select the files you want to delete and click OK. If you want to delete system files as well, click the Clean Up System Files button. This will allow you to delete system files, such as Windows Update files and temporary files created by programs. Select the system files you want to delete and click OK. The utility will delete the selected files and show you a summary of the space that has been freed up. Click Close to exit the utility. Subscribe to our channel to get more updates.